Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place here. We present the latest and the best professional telescope of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1: Professional 12x50 Monocular Telescope. The Professional 12x50 Monocular Telescope is a high-quality optical device designed for a wide range of outdoor activities, such as bird watching, traveling, hunting, camping, and more. With its impressive 12x magnification and a 50mm objective lens, this monocular offers excellent clarity and detail, making it a valuable tool for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Key features of the Professional 12x50 Monocular Telescope. High-definition optics. This monocular telescope is equipped with high-definition optics, providing crisp and clear images of distant objects. The 12x magnification allows users to observe subjects in great detail, making it particularly useful for bird watching and wildlife observation. Waterproof design. The telescope is designed to withstand outdoor conditions, featuring waterproofing that protects it from rain and moisture. This durability ensures that you can use it in various weather conditions without worrying, and easy to carry, making it an ideal companion for travel, camping, and other outdoor adventures. It can be easily stowed in a backpack or pocket when not in use. Versatile outdoor use. The Professional 12x50 Monocular Telescope is versatile and suitable for a wide range of activities. Whether you're observing birds in their natural habitat, scouting for wildlife while hunting, or enjoying scenic vistas while traveling, this monocular enhances your viewing experience. High-quality construction. This monocular is constructed with high-quality materials, ensuring its durability and longevity. It is designed to withstand. Product 2: 76,700 Reflecting Astronomical Telescope. The 76,700 Reflecting Astronomical Telescope is a versatile and high-quality optical instrument designed for observing celestial objects and exploring the wonders of the night sky. This telescope is particularly well-suited for beginners and makes an excellent gift choice for anyone interested in astronomy. Key features of the 76,700 Reflecting Astronomical Telescope include reflecting optics. This telescope utilizes reflecting optics, which means it employs a curved mirror to gather and focus light. This design allows for more compact and portable telescopes, while still providing impressive magnification and clarity. Magnification and aperture. The 76,700 telescope offers a good balance between magnification and aperture. With a 76mm 3-inch aperture, it can capture a decent amount of light, enabling clear views of celestial objects. The telescope users to adjust magnification levels to suit their viewing preferences. Adjustable aluminum alloy tripod. The included tripod is made of premium quality aluminum alloy and is adjustable in height. This feature makes it easy to set up the telescope at a comfortable viewing height and ensures stability during observations. Beginner-friendly. The 76,700 Reflecting Astronomical Telescope is designed with beginners in mind. Its straightforward setup, user-friendly controls, and included instructions make it accessible to those new to astronomy. Quality optics. The telescope is equipped with quality optics to deliver sharp and detailed images of celestial objects, such as the moon, planets, star clusters, and more. It allows users to. Product 3: Product name. 35x875x Professional Astronomical Telescope. The 35x875x Professional Astronomical Telescope, specifically the monocular 114mm large aperture f70076 model, is an advanced optical instrument designed for stargazing, bird watching, and lunar observation. This telescope offers a wide range of magnification options, making it a versatile tool for both amateur and professional astronomers. Key features of this telescope include its 114mm large aperture lens and a focal length of 700mm, which enables it to capture and transmit detailed and clear images of celestial objects. The telescope's ability to zoom from 35x to an impressive 875x magnification provides users with the flexibility to observe distant celestial bodies and celestial events with precision. The large aperture of 114mm allows for more light gathering, obtaining brighter and more detailed images of celestial objects, such as planets, stars, and the moon. This feature enhances the overall observing experience and enables astronomers to explore the night sky with greater clarity. In addition to its astronomical capabilities, this telescope is also suitable for birdwatching, making it a versatile tool for nature enthusiasts. Its portability and ease of use make it accessible to a wide range of users, from beginners to experienced astronomers. Whether you are interested in exploring the cosmos, observing distant stars and planets, or studying the moon in detail, the 35x875x Professional Astronomical Telescope offers a reliable and adaptable solution for various astronomical and observational pursuits. Its combination of features, including a large aperture and variable magnification, makes it a valuable asset for those passionate about exploring the product name Top Optical High-Quality Astronomical Telescope. The Top Optical High-Quality Astronomical Telescope is a specialized optical instrument designed for night sky observation, offering a remarkable 120x magnification to provide clear and bright views of celestial objects. This telescope is an ideal choice for amateur astronomers, stargazers, and anyone interested in exploring the wonders of the night sky. Key features: high magnification. The telescope boasts a powerful 120x magnification, allowing users to observe distant celestial objects with great detail and clarity. This makes it an excellent tool for observing planets, the moon, stars, and even deep sky objects like galaxies and nebulae. Quality optics. Top Optical prioritizes optical quality, ensuring that the telescope is equipped with high-quality lenses and mirrors. This results in crisp and sharp images, reducing optical aberrations for an immersive viewing experience. Clear and bright view. An immersive viewing experience. Clear and bright views. The telescope's optics are designed to maximize light transmission, providing clear and bright views of celestial objects. This is particularly important for observing faint objects such as distant galaxies and star clusters. User-friendly design. Top Optical pays attention to user-friendliness by designing the telescope to be easy to set up and use. This makes it accessible to beginners and more experienced astronomers alike. Gift-worthy. The telescope is not only a powerful tool for astronomy enthusiasts, but also makes for a thoughtful and impressive gift. Whether it's for a budding astronomer or someone curious about the night sky, this telescope can spark a lifelong interest in astronomy. Product 5. Product name Borwolf 40070 Professional High-Definition Astronomical Telescope. The Borwolf 40070 Professional High-Definition Astronomical Telescope is a versatile optical instrument designed for high-quality celestial and terrestrial observations. This telescope offers impressive magnification power with a maximum of 333x, allowing enthusiasts and amateur astronomers to explore the night sky in detail. It is also well suited for birdwatching and can function as a monocular for terrestrial observations. Key features of the Borwolf 40070 Professional High-Definition Astronomical Telescope include its high-definition optics, which deliver clear and sharp images of celestial objects, the moon, stars, and distant terrestrial subjects. With its 70mm objective lens, this telescope can gather a significant amount of light, enhancing image brightness and clarity. This telescope is particularly well suited for lunar observations, enabling users enhancing image brightness and clarity. This telescope is particularly well suited for lunar observations, enabling users to see the moon's surface features and craters with remarkable detail. Its high magnification also allows for observations of distant stars, planets, and celestial phenomena, making it an excellent tool for amateur astronomers looking to explore the night sky. The Borwolf 40070 telescope comes with various accessories, including different eyepieces and a tripod, which provide stability and ease of use during observations. The included monocular functionality extends its utility beyond stargazing, making it a versatile tool for nature enthusiasts and bird watchers. Overall, the Borwolf 40070 Professional High-Definition Astronomical Telescope is a capable and affordable choice for those interested in exploring the wonders of the night sky, observing celestial objects, or engaging in terrestrial choice for those interested in exploring the wonders of the night sky, observing celestial objects, or engaging in terrestrial observations like bird watching. Its high-definition optics, magnification capabilities, and versatility make it a valuable tool for both amateur astronomers and nature enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share.